Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then you have to enter accounts section, then you have to tap add account, then select Google. Oh my, no, not this one. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. Here you'll have to enter your phone number or email. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you have to do is to tap agree, accept here, and after that account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap remove account, and then confirm it by tapping remove account one more time, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.